Hi, I'm back here on this job. Yes, remember that machine? Anyway, this is a housing estate job I've been working on the last few months on and off. And we've got a water trench here. A few bits of rock in it. So the drill ferry's been and put some holes in it. I've just loaded it up with a det cord shot. That's the orange cord, that's detonating cord. Quickest and easiest way to do it. So we've got 12 holes, 5 holes, 9 holes, and another 3 further up there. We'll just put some dirt cover over this to keep it nice and quiet, as you always do with det cord shots, because otherwise they are incredibly noisy. This det cord explodes at 7,500 meters a second and makes a fair bit of noise. So we're going to cover it up with a bit of soil, which will also stop it all jumping up in the air and coming down on top of us, which is a good idea. So a really short video today because I've been quite under the pump recently. Lots of jobs to sort of get finished before the end of the year. Seems to be really important for some reason. I think the world stopped seeing or something, I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks to all the new subscribers that have just come on board in the last fortnight. That's really great. So without further ado, we'll put some cover on top of this. I'll hook it up. Now, I'm not going to fire it all together on the one-time delay because it will make a bit of a jolt, and we've got some neighbours just over where those trees are there. So to moderate the vibration, I'll put a small time delay between each cluster of holes. I'll put 25 milliseconds between them, and that'll make the ground jolt fairly mild, and we won't get any complaints. We've been very fortunate on this job. We've fired more than 1,000 holes now. Would have been a long time ago we clocked over 1,000, and the neighbours have been great, but I have been quite mindful of controlling the vibration. Alright, we'll cover it up and make a bang. Alrighty, 29 hole shot. Well, this little camera took a tumble, but it's alright, no damage. It's got a crack on the screen, but that's an old crack. No worries, still going. Well, that was a good shot, ripped it all out. Interesting, the bit that actually got up and through this part here was the bit that I loaded with Ampho. Good old Lifton powder, fairy dust. That's what it does, it's got a lot of heave. Sort of thought it might, but not quite that much, but never mind, that's alright. And the other holes here were just loaded with packaged Demolition, so I'm sure that'll be broken, but it just doesn't really have the same lift. Well, hopefully I can get Andrew to dig this up now and we'll check the damage. Alright, the moment of truth. There goes the string line. Yep. All unexpected. Gotta get out the way. Whoa! Typical outcome of a det cord shot. Big long piece broken straight off. Nice straight edge. That's good. Okay.
I think that one's loose. It's just my bucket's just... Yeah.
Oh, that one there?
The other one's here.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need... Just check the depth, make sure we're all good.
It's all busting into pieces, but it's still pretty tight because the hole's ejected. That's it. Yeah, that's it. What do you know, it's starting to rain again. No surprises. The year of rain. Alright, we're done. Just need to tickle with the breaker. A few little bits on the edge. And that made short work of that. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Ciao for now.